Alright, here's the moment of truth. New fuel pump installed. Let's give it a try. Alright, let's see. Oh, that's good. We've got a prime and it's holding. It's holding, great. We'll see if it'll start. Check for leaks. Alright. Well, it's a confirmed fixed as far as the fuel pump goes. We're not losing pressure anymore. We'll have to take it outside in the cold weather and see how she starts. It's about 50 degrees here in the shop. The only test I know to do is recreate the conditions and get it outside, maybe even tomorrow morning. So I'll bring it back. Alright, I always like checking at the same place. It's showing 18.5, 17.7, so it's bounced around about 17, 18 degrees. If you guys can see that or not. So let's give it a try. I'm going to do this real time. See if she starts. I can accept a long crank time for a day like today. Wow, that's a big difference. Alright. A stuck open check valve in the fuel pump, that's all it was. And it's about a $200 part, unfortunately. You can't just replace the check valve, but I'm glad she's running again. And more important, my wife will be right. Thanks for coming along, guys. See you on the next one.